And I would pick, say, a handful of panels with topics I thought were super interesting. And then the panel would end, and what would happen? The panelists would get rushed by various folks because many of them were well known. Who was not getting rushed? The moderator. I would go straight to the moderator, and I would talk to the moderator. I'd thank them for the panel. I'd be very genuine. None of it was made up, and talk to them for a bit. They would generally ask why I was there, what I was interested in. I would mention whatever that happened to be. In this case, it was, I'm finishing my first book, or I have my first book coming out soon. I'm here to hopefully meet people who are involved with A, B, or C. And then if we hit it off, which was not true every time, but if it seemed to be going well, I would say, I don't know anyone here. I'm really sort of orphaned here, making my way through this entire event. Is there anyone else here you think I would get along with, who maybe I could buy a drink or a coffee? And the vast majority of the time, they'd be like, oh yeah, you should meet so-and-so. And then I get the introduction, and then I would meet that person. I would have a genuine interaction with that person. And if it made sense, if things were going well, I'd do the same thing. Mm-hmm. Is there anybody else here you think I should just say hi to and I get along with? Not who I can ask for something. And that wasn't deception. I was being honest. Like someone I could actually vibe with. And if so, would you mind making the intro? Well, yeah, sure, no problem. Many of those people are still my friends. And by being surgical in that way, not trying to gather business cards, to use a really antiquated metaphor at this point.
People still hand them out.
Yeah, people still hand them out. I guess it depends on where you are, especially like Boston. But if rather than trying to collect people as Pokemon cards, developing, say, 3 to 5 deeper relationships through longer conversations at an event, that is what directly led ultimately to the hockey stick for the 4-hour work week within tech, within specifically San Francisco. So those would be a few approaches for building your network when you don't have the ability to just walk up to, say, a Kevin Kelly and have a conversation. That came over time.